So the home is where your story begins. As said out that if you feel that you're zoned out and you want to just chill out, this could be your ultimate leisure where you get access to the luxury amenities out here, because we are here at The Hyphen in association with Horizon Properties Pune. Come, let's have a tour towards our sample project. Let's discover the essence of modern living. What I really mean is we are here at The Hyphen at NIBM Road, where we are going to be showcasing you the sample projects where they have got two different towers. And the best part about this is that you get a west facing towards the reserve forest, which is almost in 200 acres of land parcel. Now let's talk about this project. Here you're going to be having is two different towers, where the first tower where you get almost 27 floors and the second tower where you get almost is 22 floors. Now here you have the best part, which is like on the 19th floor you're going to be having is the top notch facilities, or I would say the amenities, where you get access to those luxury amenities like the gym if you wish to, or the library if you want to read to, or where you want to have a working space out there. Now let's move towards our podium amenities, where you get access to different podium amenities out there. And now this whole place has got three different connectivities, where also we have got a nice luxury concept where you have in high street shops out there if you see at the down. Also we have got a 3 levels of podium parking out there. Best part about this is within 5 kilometers of radius you get access to schools, the IT hubs, the malls, the airport. Also if you are wishing to travel, everything is just within your radius, and that's the best part about this. Now the best again part is this whole is a Vastu compliance. On every floor you get is only the 3 flat access, where again your privacy is been maintained. This is a corner concept, and also the whole flat is a butterfly concept. Now, if you wish to come down here, you need to book an appointment. Contact the number given below. And if you want to know about the rates, it is also given on the screen. Thank you. So here you're going to be getting is the podium level amenities like the swimming pool with kids pool, also the 4 outdoor lounge on the podium level, the event lawn, the kids play area, putting golf, the multi-purpose hall, also the bump track. Now, I was also talking about is the 19th floor, where you get a sky bridge amenities like the fitness studios, gymnasium, the gaming room, sky theatre, business lounge, party hall with kitchen, and the library out there. Hi, today we are here at The Hyphen, which is located at NIBM Road, but this is Shaheen here. But before that, let me tell you, that was our entrance with a height which is almost like 10 feet clear height. And now when you enter through the entrance lobby, you're gonna get that door which is attached with a digital lock, where you could have an access with your fingers, and you could also use a password. Now this is a grand living room, where the only part when I saw this grand living hall was the height. Now if you see this height, this is really tall and this looks really big and huge, and it is really attractive. The best part about this flat is that you're going to be getting is a standing out balcony for all 3 of your rooms, because this is a 3 BHK concept, and you will be having a standing balcony which is attached. This is a deck area which is attached directly with your living room out here. Now let's have a look over our balcony, but before that you need to check out this space. You can alter the way you want it, because now it is raw and we get a clear view that how we could place our couches, our coffee tables, and our dining area. Now this could be your dining area out here, because this is going to be an extra niche space out here and you can place it here. That could be your TV and a space for your sofas and a couch area. And now this could be your passage where you can have a walk-through way. And now let's move towards our kitchen area. Come. this is our kitchen area, and now if you look at this concept, this looks really modern. The only thing that really attracted me is this height again. See, when you enter the kitchen, the only thing that you get to know is you get enough space out here where you could place your fridge out there, and this is gonna be a dry balcony out here. And the view towards your dry balcony is where you can have two things, that is your washing machine out there and also your dishwasher out there. Also, we have a sink which has been provided out there too, so for an extra space out there. Now, this is also your kitchen area where you have sink over here. So maybe you can utilize this आपके सब्जियों के लिए, and maybe that could be for your utensils. And this is gonna be your lower cabinet, and up also you can have an extra space for your upper cabinet. So you can place your utensils or maybe your tiffin boxes or maybe all the masalas things out there. As I was going through saying that you have an extra space out here for your refrigerator, and this could be again an extra space where you can have your oven or maybe again a cupboard area where you could have your utensils or maybe something else that you could fit out here. Now let's move towards one special thing that really is catchy, and in our AI generation, what is our, not Gen Z generation, but our AI generation, where we want everything on just fingertips. That's what is here. As I was saying that, just with one touch you're gonna have your curtains open. Let me show you how that's gonna be. That's where it is. How cool is that, right? And this really is attractive for me because, as I told you, we are into an AI generation now. If I want to stop it again, I'm going to stop it if I want to. If I want to close that again, I'll again press it. And within few seconds, it is just closed. And this, I'll tell you one thing why this could be nice. If you have small kids in your house, this could be really time saving for them, and also for a safety purpose, that is really nice concept out here. Now let's move ahead. As I was talking about, this is our living area and it is attached with a deck area around. Now let's see the deck area. As the name suggests, the hyphen, where you're gonna have a luxury living. As the word suggests, luxury, that means something which is huge and which is big, where you can accommodate that place and use it in your way. Here we are at the deck area, which is directly attached with your living area. Now if you see, this is really huge and quite spacious, where you can have a good cozy time with your friends and family or maybe kids. Now you can again alter and make this place look more beautiful the way you want it by placing the coffee table out here and some chairs out here, and making the wall look more beautiful by putting up some paintings or maybe having some greenery around to get that fresh oxygen out here. Now I am a nature's baby and I really love nature, and I would love if I have so many plants out here at my space. So maybe the women of your house could make this place look more beautiful by altering your balcony and making it look more attractive. Now let's move towards our another first bedroom that is really my favorite. Come, look around. As I said in the video that I'm going to be showing you is the master bedroom, but जो घर पे आता है मेहमान वो होता है भगवान समान. So this is our guest bedroom, and this you can alter the way you want it. I know this is really difficult to show you a space out here where nothing is there, but that is the best attractive part that you can have is क्योंकि तुम इसको alter कर सकते हो और इसको और खूबसूरत बना सकते हो by placing the things according to the way you want it, and you get a full assurance कि you can make this place look more beautiful. क्योंकि मैंने बताया था कि इस घर में आपको सारे rooms में standing balcony मिलती है, and that is the best part about this house. And the second thing is the height again. Now this room is your guest bedroom, where it is really cozy, where it is exactly attached to your entrance. Now you can alter this room the way you want it by having your bed out here. Maybe the TV fittings could be out here, and maybe that could be a wardrobe area out there, and maybe you can use this small place out here to have a working space or maybe a table out there for extra member. And this is your standing balcony. See, have a look at this. Now here you get a direct view towards the nature out there. And if you have a house which is at a height, then bhai sahab, this is gonna be the best view you can ever have, having a great time with a coffee cup out here. Now let's move towards our washroom. This is our washroom. Again, the height is the best part here, and that is something really attractive. This is gonna be two-way partition where you can use this for your bath wash, and then this is your wash basin out here. Now let's move towards our, but before that, let me tell you the fittings are from Kohler, one of the luxury brand known for the fittings. Now, before moving towards our second bedroom, this is our powder washroom. Maybe it could be a common washroom for your guest out here. Have a look. If you have your kids at your place, or maybe you have your parents at your place, this could be your granny's place out here, or maybe your kids' room out here, because this is again cozy, where you get an attached standing balcony out here. See, have a look out here. Now here also you get a standing balcony out here. This is quite spacious. Again, the height plays an important role. Also, one thing that has to be attached with all of the things that I've said earlier, the whole space is Vastu compliance. And here you're gonna be having is an attached washroom. So again, you have a great choice for the privacy out there for your kids or maybe your parents. Have a look. Come ahead, let's move towards our master bedroom. And this is our grand master bedroom, which feels like coming home back after that hectic day out there. And this is an attached balcony out here. Look at the view, guys. Every time, only one thing is that all of your rooms get a standing balcony out here, but with your living room and with your master bedroom, you get out a balcony which is attached with your rooms out there. Now let's have a look. Honestly, see, we are at now is the ground floor. And if you see, I am having that great oxygen out here with so much of burning out outside, and it feels so cooling at this space. Now you imagine if you're on the third or maybe even the second floor, because this is known for its height, and when you're going to be on the top floor, you're going to be having is that fresh air out there. Now this is a balcony which is attached with our master bedroom out there. This is again really very cozy. And I am in love with this one, because if I would have thought of, making the space look more beautiful, I would have attached some greenery out here, and maybe I would have placed a sitting view out here so that I can have a directly view towards our nature again. Now, let's move towards our walk-in wardrobe, which is again an attractive part about this master bedroom. Come, have a look. So I am again impressed with this walk-in wardrobe out here, because this is my favorite part. If I would have asked my dad to place something like this would have been the best part of my house. And I think you need to have this something in your space. Look at this. This looks really amazing. This is our walk-in wardrobe, and this is gonna be our dressing place out here, where I could place all my makeup accessories out here. And then this is directly attached with our washroom, which is right behind you. Have a look out there. If you are asking, Shaheen, how do I make this place look more beautiful? The only answer that I can give you is book your appointment by contacting the number which is given below on the screen, and stay tuned for such videos so that you can come down at this site and have a site visit out here. Because if you don't come out here, आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि आप आपके घर को इतना खूबसूरत कैसे बना सकते हो. So stay tuned for such videos. Like, comment and share it with your loving friends and family out there who want to purchase their house in an IBM. Thank you. Shaheen here.